One constant conversation that I have during consultations or after the service is about intimacy and hair pieces. First, let's do some housekeeping. First, of course, your partner should accept you the way that you are, should love every inch and every part of you, regardless if you have hair or not. That is true. However, a lot of the times, the person who is wearing alternative hair doesn't have that confidence yet. A lot of the times they might have a casual encounter. Don't judge, okay? With a casual encounter, they don't know that person very well, so maybe they don't want to lay their hair on the dresser at night or things like that. So that is indeed a valid concern. So some things that you can do as far as intimacy and hair pieces is, number one, you can wear a wig grip. Now, wig grip, if you're wearing a full cap, a wig grip can either be that velvet band or it has a silicone band. And what that does is you put that on and it holds your hairpiece in place from shifting. Now, it doesn't give you the same attachment as adhesive, but it does hold it in place. They also have the same types of bands for toppers, but they have a very thin string in the back. So they have topper grips as well, right? Another thing that you can do is if you have a very gentle tape that you can secure at least the perimeter, the front hairline, the lace front of your hair piece, because normally the concern is that it's gonna like shift back and expose your bio hair. But if you have it strategically adhered down in certain spots or across the front, then that will also give you a little security. Also, you can do a full lace wig. Now, a full lace wig requires adhesive all around the perimeter, or tape. You don't have to have an extended wear tape. You can have a daily wear tape, a tape that lasts for 1 to 3 days or 1 to 7 days. And you can have that all around the perimeter and it will give you a little more security. Also, if you have a situation where your partner accidentally does a little tug, if you have adhesive all around, if you have adhesive or tape around the front, it'll give you a little more time. And that a little more time before you say, whoa, don't do that again. I'm not gonna recommend that you allow that to continue, but I will say that you say, hey, whoa. It'll give you time and it won't be too late. But the best option is an extended wear attachment. Now, an extended wear attachment is the definition of a cranioprosthesis because it stays attached. It is not coming off. It is not coming off in the shower. It is not coming off when you're being physical, and it is not gonna come off on a roller coaster, that type of thing. So that will give you a little more stability and security. A lot of people are afraid of that for some reason, but don't be, okay? There are different types of attachments that offer extended wear. That is, at the end of the day, whether you wear hair or not during your intimate encounters is a personal decision. However you feel, it's all about how you feel and your comfort. If you feel okay with taking your hair off, then that is great. If you feel uncomfortable with taking your hair off, that is fine too. It's all about finding what makes you feel good at the end of the day. But at the end of the day, there are options. There are options. You don't have to it's not over. It doesn't mean that you can't do what you want to do, but just be aware of your options.